up, guys? So we finally got the geotracker off the trailer. It's no longer there, so now we got to return this trailer back to U-Haul. Unfortunately, it started to rain. This morning, I was gonna film the entire stuff of me pulling off the tracker, stuff like that, but it started pouring rain, and I did not want the camera to get wet. I didn't want the phone to get wet. These things are expensive. So I ended up pulling off the tracker. It did slip off the ramp really quick. It whoop whoop, and I was on the ground already, so I was just like, alright, cool, we're already here. Wasn't that far of a travel down, but I slipped off it. And yeah, so let's go return this U-Haul. I got a few errands to run, and then we'll take a look at the tracker in the garage. Unfortunately, everything got soaked down in this tracker. It just started to rain out of nowhere. So we are going to work on this tracker, and I have to get everything dry so mold doesn't set in. Well, here we are in the rain, and we're pumping up this tire in the rain. It started to rain hard, so let's close the door. Let's get this done. What is up, guy? Oh, what the heck is this guy doing? Why is he in the wrong way? He's like in the opposite lane. Okay. Anyway, what is up, guys? So finally got all the errands done, and now it's time to head back. Got the U-Haul delivered. Now it's time to head back home and to start working on the geotracker. Also got my favorite drink from Tropical Smoothie, or Tropical Smoothie Hut or something like that it's called. I forgot the name, but they're awesome. I love getting something called the Ava Colada. Super refreshing. Anyway, so we're gonna go work on the tracker. We are going to finish up the flooring. I'm gonna try to clean it up, vacuum everything up, work on cleaning up the seats and stuff. We have to source out carpet for this vehicle. I'm gonna try to see if I can find any automotive carpet and then go from there, which is measure and cut. I've decided that, hey, if there's a potential of making X amount of money on this vehicle, I'm gonna keep it original and sell it. It runs great, does what it needs to do. All it needs is a little bit of love and care, but I'll get it there. So I'm gonna source out some stuff, try to get it original, and put it up for sale and see what I get. Worst case scenario, I don't get anything like that. I'll build a tracker to how I really want it. But it's worth the investment, and I'm gonna really go double time on this. That way I can flip it quick and get some money to get another project out there. So I hope you guys aren't upset with this decision that I'm making, because this build is really for all of us. But I'm trying to look after the future of the channel as well. And right now the channel needs to bring in a little bit more money. So I'm trying to do different things to bring in money for this channel, and potentially getting a great payoff on that vehicle will bring, and potentially getting a big payoff on that vehicle will definitely do wonders for the channel. And yeah, so hopefully you guys aren't upset. Sorry if you are. Please don't leave. Just keep following. But let me get inside. Let's start working on this tracker. I'll see you then. Alrighty, guys, so here we are with the geotracker in all its glory. It's sitting right here, beautiful and sweet, and just look at that stance. Definitely needs a little paint job, but here's the plan. You guys already know. I found out that potentially I can make a lot of money on this, so we're gonna put this back to original. I guess the off-roading stuff is gonna have to wait till a later video on something else. Worst case scenario, I don't get the money that I can potentially make for it. We'll just continue on with that project. But in the meantime, it'll be cool to see me restore something else back to its former glory. So we're gonna have to locate a top. If y'all want to help me source one of that out, you can definitely leave it in the link in the description for me. You all can definitely leave the link in the comment section for me, and I will go get it. So help me source out either a hard top or the vinyl cover top again. I might need the clips and stuff that go with it. So I also have to drill out this screw that's stuck. And we have to get some carpet. We have to get carpet for this as well. And I think I need a bushing for the shifter inside. And then also we need a door handle for the inside, and as well as this little thing here that's all messed up. So there's a lot of stuff that's needed in this. As you guys can see, it looks so sick. Obviously the engine needs a cleaning. There is a lot of grease and stuff, so we'll power wash that out of the way. I obviously need to fix this terminal connector here. I'll probably get something a little bit better because this looks like it's seen better days. This is okay. Or maybe I can just put this down, just get a nut to hold this in place because it starts fine, but we'll get something better for that. Negative side is fine. Everything else looks pretty good. It just needs a good wash down in here. Obviously a little paint job. I don't know if to paint it or just try to sell as is, but most likely I'll paint it, see if I can get a little bit more for it. And clean up the seats, clean up the interior, and get this looking fresh like a car that I would actually drive. And obviously finish the welds on that side and seam seal it so no one goes through that floor. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do. So yes, guys, we definitely have a lot of work to do. Now, some of you guys may be wondering, why did I take this truck out of Matt's shop? Well, Matt had allowed me to leave the truck in I could call it a truck, a small little pickup here, whatever it is. I don't know, a tracker. He allowed me to leave it in his shop, and which was really good of him. He's a good friend. But, you know, his business comes first, and I 100% agree with him in that. So he didn't tell me anything in the bad way. I just saw that he started getting busy, and I was like, man, if you want me to pull this out, let me know. I will move it out your way. You got your stuff to do, and this is your livelihood, so I don't want to hold you up. You know, I don't want to hold you up in your stuff. So he asked me if I can just take it out the shop because he needs a space. So that's why I got it back here. And you know what? I feel a lot more comfortable working at home anyway. All my tools are already here. I don't need to go into a shop. The shop was so tight to move around in with everything all over the place. And I don't need to inconvenience him. He's a good friend for letting me keep it there. But at least the hardest parts of the welding side is finished. All I have left to do is really clean up the welds a little bit better. Make sure I weld it all the way around. Seam seal it. Make sure that's good. And then start on refurbishing this the best way that I possibly can. Getting everything nice and clean. And taking it for a test drive. So I will see y'all in the very next episode, guys. Again, it's another short episode for King Customs. Hard as heck to keep making these episodes, but I gotta start waking up a little bit more earlier for y'all and filming these episodes a little bit better. So with that being said, guys, I am gonna head out, put this video out, and we are gonna get started bright and early tomorrow morning. And I will see y'all for the next one. Peace!